We'll guide you through how to create a Streamlabs overlay. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the Editor tab on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll be able to add all your overlay elements. Next, you'll see a plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen labeled Add Source. Click on it to bring up the options for different sources you can add. You'll want to start by adding a new scene, which acts as a container for all your overlay elements. Click Add New Scene, give it a name, and hit Done. Now, you'll need to start adding specific elements to your scene like alerts, chat boxes, or images. Click Add Source again, and choose from the options available like Alert Box for notifications, Chat Box to display your chat, or Image to add custom graphics. Select the source you want, click Add Source, name it, and adjust the settings according to your needs. Drag the elements around in the preview to position them where you want them on the stream. You can resize and adjust each element by clicking and dragging the corners. If you want to add text, go back to Add Source and select Text GDI+. Then you can type whatever you need and customize it with different fonts and colors. Remember to click Done after configuring each element. Once your overlay is set up the way you like, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes are stored. Now, your overlay is ready to go live, enhancing your stream with a professional look. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.